Steam engine.
James Watt.
Diesel engine.
Charles Diesel.
Railway locomotive.
Richard Chilton.
Television.
Delbian.
Electric iron.
Henry W. Seeley.
Radio.
Marconi.
Okay, come on. Bicycle.
Vander Carl Van Rice.
Thermometer.
Anna Gradient Transit.
Calculator.
Blaise Pascal.
Computer.
Charles Babbage.
Telescope.
John Laperouse.
Firearms.
Samuel Colt.
Electric battery.
Alexander Volta.
World Wide Web.
Tim Berners-Lee.
Kodak camera.
George Eastman.
Bulb.
Thomas Edison.
Helicopters.
Igor Sikorsky.
Mobile phone.
Martin Cooper.
Airplane.
Ted Brothers.
Car.
Carl Bench.
Telephone.
Alexander Graham Bell.
Ceiling fan.
Philip Dale.
Piano.
Bartolome Trisfori.
Electricity.
Benjamin Franklin.
X-ray tube.
Ramjan.
Printing press.
John Gutenberg.
Motorbike.
Gottlieb Daimler. I can subscribe.